Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: can you recover deleted Google Photos? So let's get started by opening Google Photos application. And all your photos what you deleted you have in the trash. So we need to go to collections at the middle bottom and then tap at the trash. Right here we have deleted photos, as I said. So to recover them you need to select them. So you have different options how to do this. If you want to recover all your photos, just click at the three dots, then select and restore all or delete all. It's up to you. You can also press and hold at the photos what you want to recover and click restore. Now, if you remove photos in the trash, you will permanently delete them. If you removed photo from locked folder, you also permanently delete them. If you delete something in locked folder, so you having it in the trash. And also Google Photos automatically remove your deleted photos from the trash after 30 days, or if you back up your photos after 60 days. And then you cannot retrieve them anymore. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.